Hi guys, if there's anyone on here. Hi, welcome to Algebra e-learning again. Let's see, I'm not really sure if you guys can maybe help me out here. How's this view? I just need to know, can you see the board? Can you see what's on it? Do I need to move this? Looks good. Okay. How about, can you hear me all right? All right. Well, then I'm going to go ahead and get started so we can kind of shorten this a little bit more than what it was yesterday. We're going to actually learn some new content. It says the text is blurry. Yeah, that's the best that I can do. But when we get to where we're doing the stuff on like the problems, I can zoom in and make it less blurry, basically. So all right, I'm going to, I guess whenever I move a bunch, that's when it like starts freezing and stuff. So I'm going to try to set it up so that I'm not moving very much. I've got it so that I can do the work sitting. So can you see me? Is everything all right? I got it so I can read your comments. Okay. So first of all, I told you today was Taco Tuesday. And it's St. Patty's Day, so I'm wearing my green. And it says, I like to party. And by party, I mean teach math. Because, of course. And then we've got taco. I've got my shamrock. I've got my other fun piñata behind me here. So we're ready to go with this theme. What do you mean, why? That was the theme. Oh, and tomorrow's theme is going to be American. American theme. American flag, America, whatever you want to go with there. So, all right. Today's lesson. You forgot it was St. Patty's Day? Who is that? Who said that? Oh, we need you guys to subscribe. So here's the deal. We are trying to use a different, not the Macs, to do the videos, like one of our phones, because the cameras are better. But we can't because you have to have 1,000 subscribers to your channel in order to be able to do it on a mobile device. So we need you guys to subscribe to my channel and tell everybody you know to go in and subscribe to my channel. Your parents, your grandparents, your friends, everybody. They don't have to watch the videos. Just subscribe to my channel so we can get a better quality. So, put that out there. Anyways, so, and I know it's freezing up now. I think I moved too much. Okay. So, if you forgot it was St. Patty's Day, you better fix that and go put some green on. Even though I don't know that you'll see anybody today. However, if you take some pics and want to send them to me, inbox them to me, and then I'll just wait for a minute. I think it's better. Did it stop freezing and lagging? Okay. So we are going to, first thing is we're going to go over the most missed question that was on the quizzes exit from yesterday. Some of you haven't yet, so you need to do that. But we'll go over how to set it up. And then we will do note/practice for simplifying radicals. Really, we're just concentrating on square roots because next thing in quadratics, you need to be able to simplify a square root. I think it's this time slot, maybe. This is when everyone's deciding to do YouTube. I don't know. But anyway, so we'll leave it up to you guys if you want to have some time while I'm still on the YouTube live to do the IXL practice. That way you can ask me questions as you're working through. And then we can do a quiz whether we just stay live and continue through this. So you can ask me questions and we can do the class competition. Or if you would rather, be able to just kind of go on your own. Anyway, so we are going to, the assessments are the IXL and the exit quizzes. So you will have to turn in a screenshot of your IXL and of your exit quizzes. Unless we do the whole class competition, then you don't have to do that. The home/resource work, that's like everything is homework right now. So yeah, all of the above for homework because it's all at home. Whatever you don't get done during this live, then you continue working on and turn in. It says news alert. Someone says they're still lagging. Anyway, we're still going to be testing over all things quadratics through the e-learning. That will be the month. Well, it actually be come back from spring break. The Monday after break, we will do a review for the test over quadratics and polynomials, and then we will on Tuesday. You'll have a choice. You can either do a video of you working out 3 problems. So I'll give you, it'll just be 3 problems that will kind of encompass a lot of stuff. Or you could do an audio submission where you're explaining how you did your work. So some people don't like doing video of themselves. But you can submit an audio of you explaining how you did your work and then submit the work. But I'll explain more when we come back from break. So you got a helpful video there. If this doesn't help you through the new content, you can watch that. Math Antics is really, really good at visuals and explaining in detail different concepts. So without further ado, like my whole family is trying to call me right now. I'm not sure why. We are going to discuss the most missed question. And it would be this one. So on this one, I'm actually going to do a screenshot and then I'm going to edit right on it. What? Okay, so I want the eraser. Thank you. All right, so on this one, to complete the square, oh, someone just asked when we're going back. So after break, so this Friday and then all of next week is spring break. So there will be no school, e-learning school, nothing until the following Monday. And then that following Monday will continue to be e-learning through that week. Not really sure after that what's happening. We are supposed to be back in the building April 6th, but e-learning the week before that. So, all right, back to this. So completing the square, this one was a big missed problem. So for this one, again, we're going to get rid of the C that we have here. in order to create a new c. So I'm going to subtract 19 from both sides. And when I do that, oh, I didn't mean to mark that one out, but whatever. Whenever I do that, I get m squared plus 12m. And then I need to have some Are you still? I think it froze up. I'm going to grab some markers here. So it's probably really going to freeze. All right, so in order to find our new C, we are going to take half of B. So our B is 12. Take half of it and then square it. So that's 6 squared, which is 36. So our new C that we're adding on to this is 36 here and here. So both sides of that equal sign. When you do that, that ends up squaring the left side. And that's the thing in the parentheses is your M, and then it's half of your B, so plus 6 squared. And then on this right side, you had negative 19 plus 36, so that is 17. From here, you have to solve both sides. And in doing that, you get m plus 6 here, because taking the square root undoes the square. And then the last thing that you're going to do is subtract 6 from both sides. So that means the end result would be m equals, I've got a negative 6 plus and a minus the square root of 17. So that was that most missed question. Are there questions over this stuff? Because we're going to move on past this. So if you guys do know that I am available to you through Canvas message starting. So, but the FaceTime availability would be through those times. I don't see any questions popping up. Just because I'll have to leave to take my daughter to get her wisdom teeth pulled. Fun. So I will probably start the video at 1, and maybe it'd be better. Might be better for the lagging. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing from everyone. It keeps freezing. It's just during this time that happens. I don't know what is happening. I think that like there's so many people doing YouTube right now. Well, the good news is you guys can go back and watch this later if you missed that. I do want to move on, though, to the notes. So I don't think you're frozen. Actually, it just froze again. Okay. And I don't